Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Winner F1 Kohlrabi. Did you know that Kohlrabi's name literally means cabbage turnip in German? Yet it's neither a cabbage nor a turnip. This quirky vegetable grows its edible bulb above ground, making it look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Winner F1 tastes this already unique vegetable and makes it perfect with its consistent quality and outstanding flavor. Winner improved kohlrabi originated from Switzerland, representing modern F1 hybrid breeding that transformed kohlrabi cultivation. While the origins of kohlrabi are debated, with some plant historians thinking it was cultivated as long ago as the Roman era, while others claim it was developed from mallow cabbage as late as the 16th century. Winner F1 is a contemporary achievement. Kohlrabi is said to have first been cultivated on a wide scale in mid-1700s Ireland and then later in England, with records of its use in the United States dating back to 1806. Winner F1 emerged from professional breeding programs focused on creating uniform bulbs with excellent holding ability and superior flavor. Winner F1 produces smooth, light green bulbs that grow to about 18 ounces in weight. Its vigorous, upright plant produces bulbs that have a fresh, fruity taste. Bulbs are crisp and very flavorful, considered the best tasting white kohlrabi on the market. The plant features long leafy stems emanating from the round bulb in a sculptural pattern. Each plant produces edible greens in a tender above ground bulb 4 to 5 inches in diameter. Plant height reaches 2 to 4 inches for roots and 9 to 12 inches tall for leaves. The uniform, smooth bulbs are pale green with white-yellow flesh inside, maintaining excellent texture even at larger sizes. Winner F1 is an annual cool weather vegetable that flourishes in the greenhouse and garden with careful attention to temperature and irrigation. Kohlrabi prefers a sunny location and fertile, well-drained soil with seeds planted half-inch deep 1 to 2 weeks before the last frost in spring. Water regularly once or twice per week, or more often in extreme heat and less often in rainy weather. Consider planting Winner F1 alongside companion crops like celery, lettuce, onion, mint, sage, and marigold. As a member of the Brassica family, kohlrabi benefits from herbs that adhere common cabbage pests. Beets, cucumbers, and aromatic herbs make excellent neighbors. The upright growth habit means that Winner F1 won't shade out smaller companions. Avoid planting near pole beans, peppers, or tomatoes, which compete for nutrients. The fast maturity of Winner F1 makes it ideal for succession planting and interplanting with slower growing crops that will fill space after harvest. Kohlrabi is very nutritious. 1 cup serving of raw kohlrabi contains 36 calories, 2 grams protein, 8 grams of carbohydrates, and 5 grams of fiber. Winner F1 is very flavorful in salads and coleslaw or cooked lightly. Kohlrabi's high fiber content and low glycemic index make it beneficial for individuals managing blood sugar levels. Kohlrabi is an excellent source of antioxidants and vitamin C, raw in salads or steamed. It freezes well and keeps it for several weeks in the refrigerator. Peel and slice raw for crunchy snacks, or roast for caramelized sweetness. And that wraps up today's plant profile. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy gardening.